you're a girl in Nigeria and you are tired of being broke all the time, this video might actually change your life. You need ideas on businesses that you can run from the comfort of your home with little to no capital at all. Make sure you watch till the very end. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, make sure to share, to like, because you might actually be changing somebody's life as well just by sharing this video. Hi, my name is Faith. Welcome to my channel. You see revamping, you see wigging. These are skills that you can learn in a very short period of time and you'll be making a whole lot of money from it. Do your research, check YouTube, you'll find very detailed videos on how to revamp wigs properly. You can start from the comfort of your home. You can start with people that know you, people that trust you, and then you'll get referrals, and before you know it, you are making a lot of money. But 2 on the list is smoothies. Yes, smoothies. So if you're a girl and you don't want to get your nails dirty, but you want something that will be fetching you money on a daily basis, go for smoothies. Now the key is to target a very good location for your sales. Go to the gym. After workout sessions, people are tired, people are hungry, people are exhausted. They want something cold and yet natural and very nutritious, delicious. You make a lot of sales doing smoothies in the gym. Number 3 on the list is thrift or krika gonjo, bend down select. You see, there are so many people that would never bend down to select these things by themselves, so they depend on you. They'll rely on you to do the bending and the selecting from there, and they'll pay you good money for it. The key here is to have a good eye for very good pieces that you can bring back home, wash, iron, package, and sell for very good prices. If you know how to cook, some of you cook finger licking good meals. If you know how to cook very well, monetize your skills. There's so many people that are really busy and they hardly find the time to cook, so they're always eating out. They will pay good money for you to cook for them. Cook in liters and send to these people. Some people would like you to cook in their homes. Some of them you cook from the comfort of your home, depending on what is comfortable for you and for security reasons as well. So yes, this is a very good business that you can do as a stay-at-home mom, as a girly, as an undergraduate, as a graduate, as whatever. It will fetch you really good money. Mini importation, there's a lot of money in it. There are people that are really successful as mini importation, but I am not a very big fan of mini importation because of the whole scammers and fraudulent people out there. But if you have a very good China plug, a very good plug in Nigeria that you can really trust, then you should do it because you make a whole lot of money. New moms are always struggling with foods to give their children. People no longer want to give their children over processed food that are packaged and full of sugars and all of that. So you can of course produce baby food at the comfort of your home. YouTube is very vast. You can get very good ideas, and also you don't even have to do the production yourself. There are many people producing baby food that you can buy from unbranded brand and sell, make good sales, grow your clientele. I for one, that is the business I'm into. I produce Tom Brown and I sell to people that repackage and rebrand and sell. So I sell unbranded, of course, and I also sell branded. Check out my page on Facebook. So yes, that is a very good option. It will fetch you very good money because parents are always looking for the best for their children. Is babysitting. I know this one is quite difficult. It is hard to get clients who would allow you babysit their children because it's a matter of trust. But if you find one family and you babysit for them and they get to trust you, you grow on them, they pay you, and your services are good, they would recommend you to other parents, and before you know it, your clientele is growing. They pay you for your time per the number of hours that you sit to watch their child or children, and depending on the number of children, the pay also increases. This is a really juicy one, and you don't need any capital whatsoever. People are busy, people are tired, people have a lot doing, and they will pay you to clean their house. There are people that go around cleaning. They can clean several houses in a day for a specific time. 9 to 10 I'm cleaning this house, 12 to this I'm cleaning this. depending on your capacity, and you get paid for your services. You can do laundry for people in the comfort of their homes, whether they have washing machines or not. Some people find it difficult to just load up the washer and wash their clothes. Yes, so some people you get to wash with your hands and dry in their compound, and wash for the kids, wash for the parents, and you get paid really good money. And it is something that doesn't take up all of the time, all of your day. You get it done and you can get to do some other thing. So yes, these are very good business ideas to think about, to try out. So if anyone has caught your fancy, anyone that you're interested in, leave in the comment section. Let me know anyone that you're going to be trying. And if you would like me to put out more options, I'll do it in the next video. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, once again, please do. Thank you. See you soon.